It's Quincy's channel. Kumusta kayo? I'm so sorry guys if I'm already in my pajama. I know it's kind of weird filming dressed like this and with my hair and all my makeup already faded, but hindi pa gabi kahit hindi pa matutulog. Talagang ganito na talagang get up ko. I really want to share this mini haul because I went to Sephora. So kaya ganito na lang itsura ko, but naisip ko, but why not hindi ko i-film? So, medyo matagal na rin kasi akong hindi naggawa ng haul. At saka ako, pag ang mga haul ko naman is mini lang, hindi naman ako gano'n na gumastos sa makeup. I really love makeup, don't get me wrong. Pero, as long as may mga nagagamit pa ako, hindi naman ako gano'n kagastos when it comes to makeup. I'm still in the minimal side. Gusto ko muna kasi tinatapos ko yung product before I buy another one. So actually, itong mini haul na to is not for my personal use because guys, I am really happy to announce that I am enrolled in a makeup school. Yay! So yes, finally, medyo matagal ko na rin tong gustong gawin, pero right now, it's a really pleasant opportunity and I thank God na matatry ko na to finally after waiting for a long time. Kasi guys, I'd be honest, napakamahal talaga ng makeup school and it's really hard to, to save money and to be able to afford this. So, but I'm really thankful na nagkaroon ako ng chance right now. This is not an everyday class because I work in the morning. Of course, definitely, I cannot go to school from Mondays to Fridays. So I just chose the afternoon class once a week from October to May. So it's very, very short. It's not that of a big deal. Pero sa akin, big deal talaga to. Because finally, matutupad ko na yung gusto ko. So ito, yung mga pinamili ko is more on para sa school. Kasi this coming week, pinapadala sa amin is for base makeup, yung more sa face muna, yung mga foundations, mga sponges, beauty blenders, brushes, yung mga concealers, correctors, yung mga yan, yung mga powders, yan muna kami. And sabi naman ng professor, sa ngayon, let's try to use whatever we have at home or kung ano yung mga na personal namin na gamit. And then, habang nag-a-advance yung classes, sa kanya kami pabibilhin or padadalhin ng mga pang-professional makeup artist talaga. Because he will advise us kung saan kami pwedeng bumili. We need something na, a palette, a complete palette or a kit na talagang lahat ng shades nandoon. Because, when you start working with different kinds of people, just like the professor said, of course, kailangan wide range din yung kung ano yung mga gamit mo. Kasi kaya ka nga makeup artist. So sa ngayon, ito, binili ko, first of all, beauty blender. Okay? Itong beauty blender, masyado na tong sikat ever since nung lumabas to, every woman by this, na ito daw yung pinakamagandang applicator ng foundation. Gustong-gusto ko siyang itry, apart from the cost na medyo may kamahalan. Sa akin, mahal na to. I'll be honest, I am really a drugstore makeup junkie. Gusto ko, when I buy something, I make sure na talagang I have a use for it. Alam niyo yun? Ito, like this one. Ito, I will surely try this for myself. Pero, pinili ko to more on para sa school. And then, I also got this brush from Sephora. This is Multitasker Complexion number 45. Ito siya. Okay. It's kind of long. Ayan, di na siya magkasya sa screen. Actually, marami naman akong brush dito na pang foundation. Pero I really want to try something new, something na, that I can use hiwalay sa school. I will try this for myself, pero after that, mas gagamitin ko na siya sa school, not for me. I also got this Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore and Fine Line Filler. Sabi nila is dupe daw ito sa Benefit the Professional. It's been a while na gusto ko tong subukan. Kasi before, tuwing nagpupunta ako sa Sephora, may nagsuggest na sa akin na ganda rin naman daw to. It's parehas din daw ng Benefit the Professional kasi mas medyo mahal na lang yun, diba? Actually, I have it. Ito siya. Mas makalit lang kasi ito yung mga dinadala lang for sa Viaggio, sa trip, is 7.5 ml. Ito namang Sephora is 25 ml, as you can see. Pero kasi, ayun nga, mahal siya. Ito na yung pinakamura, which is, I think, nasa 12 euros. Ito, 12 euros, pero malaki na siya. Ngayon, kung umokay sa akin, then, pwede ko na rin sigurong matry pamalit dun sa Benefit kasi talagang napakamahal. I really can't afford. Yung ganitong size nila, 30 plus euros. So, I don't know. It's kind of heavy for me. I will use this more sa school. Pero, yun nga. Like what I said, try ko pa rin sa akin. And then, finally, I got this Makeup Forever HD High Definition Powder. Micro-finish powder. Okay. As you can see, it's really small. Na-just ito nung girl kanina kasi saw me that I was kind of skeptic dun nabilhin yung malaki because it costs 38 euros. Believe me guys, I really wanted to buy that. Pero inisip ko, gusto ko muna siya i-try. So, sinuggest ng girl, we have the mini one, yung pang Viaggio nga, just like yung sa Benefit. Mami, try nyo po, and then kapag nagustuhan nyo, and I'm sure na magugustuhan mo, babalik ka para bilhin yung malaki, yung talagang normal size. I heard a lot of good reviews about this. Ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga, YouTubers and bloggers na baka-famous niya sa sa makeup community. Really excited about this. Talaga ngayon lang ako nakahawak ng Makeup Forever. I'd be honest with you. So, excited ako. And then, I also got Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Actually, base makeup pa lang naman yung pinapadala sa amin. Pero, bumili na rin ako. This is more for myself. Kasi, I use this Too Faced Shadow Insurance. My God, this lasted me for like, I don't know, almost 2 years. Or more than 2 years. This is the only eye primer that I have. Na yan lang talaga yung ginagamit ko araw-araw. So, sabi ko noon, kasi nung before ko tong binili, namimili ako sa dalawang to. Kasi good reviews talaga tong dalawang to. And, ito muna yung una kong pinili. Sabi ko, pag naubos ko na to, saka ko to itatry yung Urban Decay. So, eto na siya. So, paubos na siya. As you can see, gamit na, lumang-luman na. Hindi lang sa akin, of course, kapag once na yung professor, pinagdala na kami ng, for eye makeup, ito na yung dadalhin ko. For myself, I also got this Mercy Handy Flower Power Love and Hand Cleansing Gel. I really love this. I've always used this. Dati, tinry ko yung blue, tinry ko yung is it white or black and white. Tapos, ito ngayon, itatry ko color pink. And then, aside from that, mayroon din akong nabinili sa drugstore. Namili ako last time, just the other day, ito lang. Nagpunta ako sa isang store na medyo bago lang siya. Hindi na akong namili doon, pero once pa lang. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong naikot talaga. This time, nakapag-ikot ako, especially sa makeup section. So, nakabili ako nito. This is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pellida Normalia Grasse 220. Natural beige. Ito siya. Alam ko matagal na tong Fit Me and sobrang laos na to sa US and in the other countries. Pero dito sa Italy, tagal ko na siyang hinahanap. Wala siya sa mga drugstore dito. And ngayon ko lang siya nakita. I'm glad na nakita ko. Excited na ako i-try. Then I also got two Maybelline lipsticks. This is Matte Color Sensational. I got 978 Burgundy Blush. Yan. And then 889 Wickedly White. Ay, itong brown na to, wala pa akong ganito kasing color na brown. So, I'm gonna review this kung magiging okay siya. And then, first time ko lang din makakita ng white. I watched someone sa YouTube, yung aking favorite YouTuber. Review din siya ng Maybelline Color Sensational. And kinuha niya rin tong white. Pwede daw to i-mix dun sa mga ibang shades doon ng lipstick. So that you can attain the color that you desired. Like this one, halimbawa itong brown na to. If I want it to be lighter brown, pwede raw haluan ng white. So I think it's really an innovative idea. Ngayon lang talaga ako nakakita, so sabi ko kuhanin ko na. Mura lang naman. Maybelline New York is, very affordable. So, I think hindi naman ako magsisisi. Meron na kasi ako before na lipstick from Maybelline New York and I really love it. I love the color, I love the formula. So, sabi ko, itry ko naman tong line na to, na matte. Sana lang maging okay siya sa akin. And then I also got this one, L'Oreal Paris Matte Lip Gloss in 405, The Bigger, The Better. Ayan siya. So, ang ganda-ganda ng color niya. Actually, discounted ito, kaya ko siya binili. Kasi more on, I think this is a spring-summer color. But I don't care. I just like the color. Nagustuhan ko siya. At saka wala pa akong gantong color sa collection ko. So, sabi ko, why not try it? It's actually a lip gloss. Nakita ko na rin yung mga good reviews nila sa YouTube. So, let's try it. Why not? And it's matte. So, check natin kung magiging okay. So, that's it. Yun lang naman. Wala naman nothing special. It's just, normal products na siguro nakikita nyo na nire-review na ng iba. Pero sa akin, first time lang ako makakagamit ng mga to. And I will surely keep you posted sa kung ano magiging reaction ko sa mga products na to. And of course, I will update you sa akin makeup school. And thanks for watching. Ciao!